Okay, good morning guys. It's me again. So today I'm gonna cook a very simple dish, quick, easy, and affordable. Okay, so we need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, alugbati, the sikwa or patula, sardines, garlic, onions, tomatoes, and spring. Saute the garlic. And then the onions. And then the tomatoes and the spring onions. Sarap na kay guys. Because lamas pa lang. Humot tayo. So guys, it's time to add the sardinas. Okay. Guys, it's yum yum. Pickle soy sauce. Patula guys. Pati. Okay guys, we're gonna simmer for 2 minutes. Okay, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, it's already cooked. Okay, look at guys. It's super yummy. Our ginisang sardinas, patola, o alugbati is done. Okay, I'm gonna off the heat because kanang malata ang mga utanon guys. So, okay. So, now it's tasting time. I'm gonna taste this patola. It's yummy. Alami, uy. Thank you for watching guys. This is our ginisang sardinas, patola, and alugbati. It's super yummy, easy to make, very quick, and affordable. And thank you for watching. And please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Broja, to my Instagram, me_, and bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching. Okay, lamig kayo.